Hey, Reg here from Nuts and Twigs. You're gonna love these vegan bacon bits. They're made with TVP or textured vegetable protein, so there's no cholesterol and fat and has plenty of protein and fiber. To make them, you'll need to rehydrate the TVP in a little boiling water for a couple of minutes. Then you'll add the marinade with soy sauce, maple syrup, vinegar, I use apple cider vinegar, olive oil or vegetable oil, liquid smoke, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and some salt. From there, mix it well and let it sit while your air fryer preheats. Add the bacon bits to the air fryer in an even layer. Shake the basket often to ensure even cooking and bake until it's dark golden brown. Enjoy in salads, loaded vegan potatoes, casseroles, soups, or anywhere you want bacon flavor. Follow me for more vegan recipes and visit nutsandtwigs.com where we make nuts and twigs delicious.